I was leaving Monday for Whistler. However, Sunday we had a local XC race, which was a lot of fun. I ended up getting third place. Unfortunately, I did have a little spill during the race, which was going to make Monday interesting. I got up early Monday morning and flew from Tallahassee, Florida to Vancouver. It ended up taking about 17 hours. Tuesday morning, I got up and started working on getting the bike built up. After so many trips now, I've got my little process down, and it doesn't take me long to get the bike built up. I was able to get out to guest services and get my lift tickets before the lift opened, and before I knew it, I was on the lift, ready to start warming up for my first day at Whistler. I decided to start very slowly and I'd do a few of the green runs. I just wanted to see exactly what condition my leg was going to be in. It was pretty sore and looked terrible, so I was just hopeful that I'd be able to kind of make some warm-up runs and see where things stood. After I kind of got a feel for how my leg was doing, I decided to start warming up on Crank It Up, which is a blue jump line trail. I hope you enjoy the video. I'll have a few more that I'll put out from this trip to Whistler.
GoPro, stop recording.